Hi, I'm Brandon. Welcome to Trading Mindset. Today we'll be discussing the most fascinating difference between trading and poker and why they're not so alike after all. For understandable reasons, cryptocurrency trading is commonly compared to the game of poker. Both situations present possible profits, possible losses, and speculation on an outcome. Players attempt to sway their odds of winning through psychology, mathematics, and probability. We even see common terms such as streak, strategy, and volatility. The difference is, poker is a game with a strict set of rules. According to those rules, a third-party observer of a poker hand could calculate the exact odds of winning for each player. All of the relevant information is either in the deck, on the table, or in the player's hands. This is why we see the winning odds displayed as a percentage when watching a table on TV. You might ask, doesn't trading have rules, laws, and regulations? Sure, absolutely. But there are millions of players, billions of cards, and some decks we can't even see. Outcomes can't be calculated like they can in a hand of poker. There's far too much information and it's impossible to get our hands on all of it. Which brings us to the Ludic Fallacy. The attributes of the uncertainty we face in real life have little connection with the sterilized ones we encounter in exams and games. The creator of the fallacy, trader-philosopher Nassim Taleb, explains it best in his book, The Black Swan. His thought experiment goes like this, and I quote, "Dr. John, good to see you. Fat Tony, my man. Assume that a coin is fair. It has an equal probability of coming up heads or tails when flipped. I flip it 99 times and it comes up heads each time. What are the odds of it coming up tails on the next throw?" Trivial question, 1/2 of course, since you're assuming 50% for each and independence between draws. What do you say, Tony?
No more than 1%, of course.
Why so? I gave you the assumption it was a fair coin, meaning it was 50% odds either way.
You're either full of crap or a pure sucker to buy that 50% business. Coin gotta be loaded. Can't be a fair game.
But Dr. John said 50%.
I know these guys with the nerd examples from the bank days. They think way too slow. They're too commoditized. You could take them for a ride.
Hopefully that helps convey that trading doesn't exist in a sterilized environment. It's not a textbook situation like a hand of poker or blackjack with a strict set of rules and a limited number of outcomes. Anything from a new technology to a political election to a global pandemic can affect your trades. The takeaways? Risk cannot be perfectly predicted, and there's no such thing as a guaranteed trade. And finally, price predictions will always be just that, predictions. Thank you very much for watching Trading Mindset. Like the video if you learned something new, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new episodes. See y'all next time.